Dumelamba Boko Haikerom Helesele Via, it's a girl Dina Caro, and you know what it is, my darling. CMTV Mtanami, Nyatembranana. And of course, I'm not rolling alone. I'm with the Damini, my beautiful crew of CMTV Miscat. Logo Kihorlo Jola Jorna Rasa Julie. You want to return a strata king or homo check it 2026, get her Burkhawadi Puo. Marwetse ke ngare di tsedi montana morago and se gore strata se tshweretseng ni ya Tembana na. Dumela maboko ga ikirlo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dina Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni a Tembana na lante ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening nsala morago nsi
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibamba izivuke ndzayimela mina lona
indaba yaziwenzakalani
lokusendela amabele
ari ngutwe pelo
what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years and
bathi
akithola pisha ke monna
How was your December?
I was Decembering.
You are Decembering where the offices? I saw you shooting.
Besingasebenzi December sebenze kancane sayeka so.
Oh yeah.
After the time.
I see couple coming. This is what I love.
Kule weather.
Hello. How are you, Baholo? Niyaphila. Sorry, wamane ngithi ngilindeni nana. Ni right ngithi ngicela ukuthi sikhulume nje kancane. Yes, awuna nkinga. All right, sister. You remind me of my auntie. I like your vibe. Can we stand this side if it's not a problem? Siyakhuluma or siyathetha or siyabua ema mo buti or siyabua. Siyakhuluma. How was your 2025? Utrite kanjani?
hayi ngithe kahle siswami
Ne. Awathenganga next special for 2025.
ngithekile something but angizange ngibe grand.
Okay. Nawe sisi uyakhuluma?
yebo siyakhuluma
Okay, wena bewukuphi ngo December? Bewusekhaya bekumnandi ne?
kumnandi besidla nje
Banjani abantwana ekhaya? Bayaphila. Yeah. My name is Dineo ne. Mina ngisuka CMTV. So sihlangana nabantu vele sikhuluma ngicela ukuthi usondele kancane sisine. Siyahlangana nje vele sikhulume nabo. Izulu zami right ngithi savakala. Isazwakala not vakala. So ubut Eric right? No sis. Nathandana or ni siblings? Nathandana?
sathandana
Wangathi alukushona yathandana vele.
sathandana
Ne.
manje ukuthi wawusibuza kanjalo
Angithi okay ngiyenza show nje. Angithi sometimes ama siblings are close uyabo. Abo cousins nabantu abantu basebenza ndawonye. Jozi it's a pending place my sister.
hayi sathandana
Niyathandana ne. Nesikhathi singakanani nithandana?
na 6 months
6 months. Oh, kukusha mos liqale. Oh. Okay. How's the journey going? Relationship?
hayi right
Right. Siyashata this year ngithi. Siyashata ngithi.
noma yini kuyenza
Umbuke nami uDina Caro ngiya MC yabona.
izobhuka wase
Okay, great man. So uyamthemba umuntu wakho ngithi?
hayi ngiyamthemba kakhulu
100%.
100%.
Mina ngiyangena efonini yamuntu wami wena uyangena?
yebo ngiyangena
Yeah.
ngiyiphatha ifoni
Guys, me I check my man's phone. Ke just team yabasadi but I check. So you also check my brother.
yeah ngiyayichecka
Now we check this thing. Okay, fine. So the show it's about Nyatembana na. You need to check if you trust each other. Yabona my brother.
njalo
So we're gonna exchange phones for 60 seconds. You don't mind, I know. I can tell. You look like my very loyal aunt. So I know you're gonna tell
sishintsha
sishintshe my phone, sis, for 60 seconds. I get to umuntu wakho uyangena.
sizochenjana ngamafoni
Yes, sis. Ngo 2026, the phone is for everyone. You know, phone it's easy, man. Huh? When I get you don't mind, my brother.
hayi angimind
Mujampisetse, mubonsi, thank you. Bring your phone, my sister. All right. Why? Why are you hesitating? Huh? Why are you hesitating? Aren't you like suspicious? Nguthi uyahesitate umuntu wakho?
yeah
Ne? Akho mnandi kahle ne? Sisi. There's couple switching phones, ladies and gentlemen. You know how it is? Kifitile ka power. I've got this. Let's go through it and see what 2026 has for us. Okay, which phone is oqala ngayo abantu?
Bakhala lokho ke.
Yakho. Angikho nkinga ngithi. Okay, I'm gonna give you his phone. Cela umbambele ha. This one is safe la. Ubuthi asitshontshe ungawari. Oh, ngicela ungifake lo yayazi ipassword yakhe. Oh, nice. Okay. Ngicela ungenele WhatsApp. For 60 seconds yaqeda manje. Cela okay, yo ilong. Cela ungicheckele I love you. Khona umunye umthandayo besides your person.
Akekho.
Akekho ne. Abantwana hayibo malume. Yeah, okay, kuvela wena. Honey. Ngicela utabela miss you. Awu romantic yo, Grootman. Ngizwa hani?
Usho kwaJesu.
Uyize kuphi leyo? Ithathe. They are my days and days of our lives. Abu brugu wala bathanda ukubiza nabo hani. Eh. Oh, kuvela wena. Ngicela uthi nuts. Ore uzothini macela inuts. Mathi uyatype uthi impundo wathi ngalo. Akazi ukuthi uzothini when you asking for nuts. Uyacela bani? Uyacela ama nuts. Uyathanda ukubona le ama nuts.
Amanothi.
Eh. Oh, uyacela. Oh. All right, not really. Nayo ne Facebook mhlambe.
Anginayo Facebook.
Okay. Instagram hayi. Okay. Ish. Cela ungenele uthi sex or ucaso.
Kazi.
Ucasi. Typele yona leyo. You know, it's very confusing. These days you see your siblings, people looking like you next door. Where is it that kind of vibe? You'll find out that your father is busy next door. You know those uncles? Next. All right. Can I move SMSs? SMS PORN to 31314. Yes, SMS lezinto ngalo.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes ngishilo. Yes, SMS. There's nothing. Pictures, something. Too loyal. But it's fine. It's nice to be loyal. I mean, it's 6 months. But it's okay to be loyal. People need to learn to be loyal. Yabona?
Yeah, kunjalo.
What do you think, Gwen?
Anangibona.
Okay, there's nothing. Me, I'm Thomas. How do you feel that your person is not dating? It's not cheating? Ufila kanjani?
Ngiyajabula.
Bona yini ngathi yatatazela sis?
Akuthuki angitatazeli kuphela ngingalindelanga senzosibuza nje into
Hi, surprise nje. You know how it is in January. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, man. Uyajabula. Ubona ukuthi
kahle lokho ngibona ukuthi hayi
akakuchitheli ne. Yeah, long live relationship. Me, I wanted to be like that. Now I need to cheat, sister. I'll cheat against. Okay. Uyayazi ipassword yakhe malume?
Yebo ngiyayazi.
Okay. Hey, sister, man, unale mahlafu amaSotho. When you've got, like, you know, Sotho ladies have got nice big hlafus, calves. Okay, ngicela ukuthi ungene ne-WhatsApp. Uyayidlala i-WhatsApp. Okay. Ngicela ungitypele I miss you. Bakhona abanye abantu abamisayo sisi.
hayi cha
Sure. Suke ekhaya phela.
abe
Type.
abekho
Say. Okay. Uthi type niyakuthanda. There's a lot of Zulu. Type niyakuthanda. Bakhona abathandayo. Usuke ekhaya phela.
angithandi umuntu
Ay. Nathi ngiyabona. Ekhaya. Awubani uzibusiso sisi? Uyamthanda uzibusiso? Ubani uzibusiso buthi? Ubani lo? Uzibusiso.
Hayi angimazi kusafuna ngikhethe ukuthi ubani sikoba mina liqala bona.
Uyaqala nawe.
ngazi ukuthi ukhazini wami lolo manje angazi ukuthi ufuna nefonini.
Ukhazini wakho
Angazi ufuna nefonini yakhe.
asichazele sisi.
Sinoboleka mhlambe simayiboleka imali mangidinga imali nje sinokuyiboleka kuyena nokuyiboleka kuye.
And then
Enza sonke sisebenza naye.
bese umthandi.
Ngimthanda.
Hayibo.
Boleka nje imali mhlambe ukuthi ngishada ngemali.
Hayibo but lapha sithapha ngothando and kuvela abuthi Sibusiso.
Akuveli mina.
Uthanda lo lokuthi Sibusiso cause ukunika imali.
Kuye ngifike ngiboleka.
Yeah, ngisho vele cause ukunika imali that thing it grows and you know it builds love.
Ngithandani naye.
Hayibo sisi man,
Ngithandani naye sisebenza sonke.
if ufuna into zekamreni uzothini lo mama? Mayafuna ukuthapha. Thapha into uzoyisho lapho. Lisebenza lonke but niyathandana. It happens.
Asithandani sisebenza endaweni eyodwa.
Ne.
Thandane newayo.
Kutheni vele uthi uyamthanda? Eish. Sisi awaw. Sorry to look at stuff. So uzoyichaza uthini? Obuthi Sibusiso. Uthi ukhazini akho Sibuthi.
Ukhazini wami. But angazi ufuna nefonini yakhe. Nangabe ezovela ngabe nithapha ukuthi ngiyakuthanda ese kuvela umzala kusafuna ngitshele umama ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani lokho.
Ne. So uthi senze kanjani sisi?
Ngisebenza naye.
Nasebenza nawe in a way.
Sisebenze umsebenzi nowodwa. Uyazi sisebenza sonke naye.
Hayi kusho ukuthi wena uyajola vele no ubuthi Sibusiso. Sex it's uye. This is uye hayi sister hayi.
Uye ngisuke ngithamba hlangana emsebenzini kokunye ukuthi ngithambe ngiboleka imali mangidinga imali. Kodwa anginamali. Uye nokuboleka kuye.
So uthini what's going to happen to a relationship?
No kufuna siqabane kakhulu ngoba ngeke ngiyivume le ndaba le.
Nawe uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani uRhotman nawe.
Tunabe nangiphesa uthando uvela umzala mina ngiveli yonke indawo kuvela umzala. Futhi mama echaza ukuthi wasepeni.
Yeah, mayiphele man ku 6 months mayiphele nesisi. Angithi uyamthanda lo ubuthi unemali ubuthi. Uyabona ubuthi Sibusiso bathi ukhipha imali angithi.
Yeah.
Uthi ukhipha imali. Oh uyakuboleka nje. Kusho ukuthi ubuthi Sibusiso unemali. More than you because uyamboleka and leyo ibuilda a love for yena. Yeah.
So ngiyacaca ukuthi njani.
Ne. And uyomthengele ifone.
Yeah, ifoni yami oba ngimbonese na ifoni unabe ngimbuzo ukuthi uthathe
Sorry sis.
umzala.
Uboleka imali uyabona ngokuthi ubuthi Sibusiso uyo lo umthengele ne tights ne. Yeah. Ngimthengele askisi.
Na uyazi nje uhlale mangifuna imali kuhlala ungenamali.
Hlale nganamali.
Kanamali, hlale namali. Kuye ngize ngicele kuye umzala wakhe imali asisize ngemali. Nawe ngoba ugqoka nje ugqoka yona lo mali leyo.
Bathi wena ubetshwa ngumzala wakho. Arenwa ugerezela wena vele ubetshwa kumzala. Yeah.
Yeah, unangabe kunjalo siswami ngicabanga ukuthi wena nomama kuzofuna siyeke ngqo.
But uyagqokisa mos uncle.
Usethi ukuthi angigqokisa akho right ukuthi izindaba zezabe kanje mina ngikhona usho ukuthi mina ayikho indaba yami engiyenzayo lapho kungcono thiya nomama siyeke eqhubeke naye umzala ngicabanga kuzoba right lena.
So wena uthini nge-relationship uzaqhubeka nobaba?
Ngiyamthanda yena inkinga yakho ukuthi nawe uyazithanda mali. Okay yena tani baby ngijole nje.
So nizoyikhuluma ngalento le. Because there's nothing I can do anymore. When if my advice is at least itatayisa anyani uyabona ukuthi until you get a job at least uyagqoka manje winter yeza.
Yeah, kodwa kuyagqoka kodwa akusho ukuthi angithekele umzala okungcono yena akalinde mina ngizo.
Ujampa manje malume, ujampa manje, ujampa late. Ujampa late. Late. So uzothini wenzani nge-relationship? Uyachubeka.
Angathi ngizozwa ngayeni ukuthi yena uthini kumele asho lento lena kayi ufuna ukuyisho kodwa yena ngiyamthanda. Sihlela sishoda ngemali yena akabike ngabi namali mangifuna into thothi into akuyitholi ngesikhathi uzowunika ngesinye isikhathi engidinga ngathi ukuthi imali ukukhipha emsebenzini ngiyashoda ngize ngicele kumzala.
Ayikhona malume kusho ukuthi uyashoda ushoda ngemali lo muntu lo uzoqhubeka nomzalakho inthi mina ngivele ngivale ishow cause le ngeke amshiye umzala angithi unemali
Ya unemali.
unemali okay askisi nemali but at least I helped I helped you could have never known inthi ngivale ishow I don't know how you gonna solve this thing I'm sorry ne
Hayi sozama ukuyilungisa sokubona ngihlekisa kanjani.
oh okay oh Jesus bantu bedala bantu abadala that lady who felt so uphandela from the cousin
It's painful because abantu abadala. Yabona, if it's young kids bekuzozwakala but ish.
Mara, that lady, she looks like she's here for business. She knows what she wants. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how we open 2026. My name is Dineo Kare and I'm with the Clams. Beautiful for myself and ourselves, actually, and the beautiful team. Get on another episode. Love. Dumela mabogo ko ga ikirlo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Kare and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na lante ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithu ungalibali uba last wathi mandiyibambe izivuke ndizayimela mina loo nto
indaba yazikwenzakalayo
Lubani lokusendela amabali. Ari ngutwe phela.
It's not what you think man.
Khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
Bathi,
okunesona.
nakitla akitla pisha ke monna.